Okay, this is us playing about with the washing machine to see if we can make it do anything interesting. How fast do you reckon it'll go? Let's put something in it, then we'll go back with some newspaper in it. Might get a bit more of an effect. Oh, there you go. Let's have a look at it. That's a put it out of balance, isn't it?
It should do.
There's something else in there. What's that really heavy? Let's fill it with bricks.
Have you got it?
Yeah, put a bag of cement in there.
I say, what about this?
What, clab now? Oh, if that club hammer falls out though, isn't it? Oh. What's really heavy? Imagine that, the hammer comes flying out.
Yeah, it'd be naughty.
Mmm. I know. What we'll do, we'll have the motor out, we'll put the motor on the floor, and we'll crank that motor up as hard as it'll go till it pops. How's that? So I can't think, what else can we put in that drum or put that out of balance? No idea.
Nothing bones.
Let's fill it with bag of potatoes. All bag of potatoes, see if they explode. Tuck spuds in there when it's showing
Oh.
Alright, here we go. Here's a new game. See if that explodes. Potato. Oh, I like that. This is called mashed potato. about if we shut the coffee cup in there? What about the ashtray? Put the ashtray, look. See that? Ah, I missed it. See the chat of it. Oh, we made a bit of a mess. Let's have a look at this. We should have mashed potato, the glass, and the coffee cup. Let's see what goodies we've got in here. That's going to be messy. Ah, look at all them dog ends in the box. Come straight out the bottom, look. Got mashed potato on the floor. This is going to be messy. Oh, look at that lot in there. Wow. That's impressive. Oh, God, look at it. It smashed the paddles up on the drum. That's amazing. That has made a mess. There we are. Look at that. Yeah. No more paddles left on that drum. Smashed them straight off. I'm impressed.
Oh, you use that extra? I don't think I bought, man.
Well, I like that. That is a mess. Well, I enjoyed that.